एंड यहाँ पे भी कितना फेड हुआ है, यू गाइज कैन क्लियरली सी.
चांगली आहे, खूप चांगली.
Hi you guys, good morning. I hope you are doing well. And yes, I'm vlogging today. I have no idea what to do, like nothing is planned. So yeah, let's just see how it goes. Probably I'll vlog 2 days. So today is 2nd of July and I just took a bath. I washed my hair and I was about to do my skincare, but then I remembered that I have to show you this miraculous product which has worked for my acne. So if you have watched my last vlog, you know what I'm talking about, right? I told you guys that I'm having acne मेरे nose के नीचे के part पे. So मैंने वो वाला वीडियो शूट किया था 27th of June को. Like the last vlog was shot on 27th of June, the first part of it. And उसी दिन पे I started trying this product. तो आज 2nd July है, तो hardly 5 दिन हुए मैंने ये product का use किया है. And look at my skin, the scars are gone. Also not sponsored, hashtag not sponsored. In fact, we are going to talk about a lot of new products from different brands. So yeah, keeping it very simple and clean for you guys. So the product that I want to talk to you guys about is this one by the Derma Co. The brand is called as the Derma Co. And it's the 10% niacinamide serum for acne marks. Let me just give you a close-up of my skin. So just I want you guys to go watch my last vlog and see the before and this is the after. So ये side के जो 3 scars थे, यहाँ के 2 तो चले ही गए. There are like no scars left. इसका थोड़ा सा बचा है and यहाँ पे भी कितना फेड हुआ है, you guys can clearly see. Please read the instructions जो इस पे लिखा हुआ है. This is supposed to be used on your entire skin, but I just like to concentrate this on my scars only. That's it. I don't put it all over my face. And you're supposed to go in with a moisturizer afterwards so that it doesn't dry out your skin. I can't see in the screen, so I'm gonna go there.
If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. It's worth it. You can have this feeling anytime.
Right now I don't have like work as such, but still I'm gonna work because if I don't work on some day I just feel very lazy, and by the time रात हो जाती है I feel very unproductive and my mood becomes थोड़ा low and all of that stuff. So I have decided कि मैं हर दिन थोड़ा बहुत काम तो करूँगी and I won't be stuck to my phone. So today is 2nd of July as I said, and tomorrow is my birthday. Like not my birthday, it's Mansi Mao's birthday. That is 3rd anniversary of our main YouTube channel. And it's like very emotional thing for me because you know 2017 वाली Mansi who started working in July 2017 and अभी की Mansi, there is like a huge major difference. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do something like make a video like a play date edit or something like that, a 1-minute video for my Instagram just to celebrate, because otherwise I can't go out and celebrate anyway. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna take a lot of time because when it comes to such edits you have to take footage from कब के, and वो मुझे मेरे hard disk में ढूंढने पड़ेंगे and बहुत सारी जगह से ढूंढ के then I have to compile it, put effects and all of that. A lot of you guys ask me where do I edit, so they are edited on Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. मेरे सारे YouTube के वीडियोस और सारे Instagram के वीडियोस इस पे ही एडिट होते हैं वो सॉफ्टवेयर में, और I always write this down in my description box of both of the channels. So yeah, just kindly read the FAQs first. You will get a lot of answers over there. It's 9:30. यप, रात हो चुकी है. मैंने दोपहर को एडिटिंग की एंड उसके बाद कुछ किया नहीं. आई डिडंट इवन स्लीप. आई वाज जस्ट डूइंग टाइम पास हियर एंड देयर. एंड आई नो you guys are looking at my ring and asking a lot of questions. I'll explain that later, but we are going to do chemical exfoliation today. This is what I'm going to use. This is the Dot & Key chemical exfoliator. Hydro Peel Glow Potion, 10% AHA, 2% BHA. Now if you follow me on my Instagram, you already know that I have this since a very long time, but मैंने use नहीं किया था for I don't know what reason. अभी भी बाल गीले हैं, सुबह के जो धोए हुए हैं वो अब तक सूखे नहीं हैं. So I saw Simi Goraya, she raves about this. She has recently started using it and मैंने उसको देखा है use करते वक्त. So according to her I'm gonna go and let it sit for 10 minutes and then wash it off. Chemical exfoliation and everything is a very advanced skincare, so do it, do patch test, then only do it. So I'm gonna take this much. It has like blue color and look at the packaging, it's lavender. मैंने मेरा तभी मतलब मेरा दिल जीत लिया था ये product ने. So I'm just gonna start spreading it. It's like a gel consistency. Okay, so it's done and I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes. It's 9:35, so 9:45 को हम धोएंगे. Okay, so जब तक 9:45 होता है, let me just explain you things about my ring because so many of you guys why is it not focusing? Okay, so this is how it looks like. I know it was yellow थोड़े दिन पहले और अभी white हो चुकी है. So I'll just give you a backstory first. So this is yellow sapphire. I think that's what it's called in English. In Marathi or Hindi it's called Pushkaraj. And real ring है ये by the way. And I told him to, like my jeweler, I told him to make it in white gold, but he ended up making in real gold. And I do not like real gold on my body. Like my chokers and my hoops that I wear in videos, they are golden, but when it comes to real gold I don't like it. I always prefer white gold. So yeah, तो थोड़े दिन के लिए मैंने पहन के रखी थी and then I gave it to him again to, you know, correct his mistake, and I just got it. And yeah, that's the story. And yeah, nothing else. I don't know why I'm explaining so much. Okay, so I have washed my face and my skin is like, there's not much of a difference. I mean, I think probably I will get better results after I keep using it, but I didn't like see a massive difference which I was actually expecting. So anyway, but you are supposed to use a good layer of moisturizer after, you know, you have done chemical exfoliation. So I'm going to use this one by Face Shop. It's the Calendula moisture cream. Now because I have already used chemical exfoliator, I am not gonna use the Dermaco essence like the niacinamide one which I used in the morning. You're not supposed to use it with active ingredients. उसपे clearly लिखा हुआ है. My skin is nice and plump. I'm gonna use the Mamaearth Bye Bye Under Eye Cream because under eyes are important. Good morning. It's raining and it's so good. Like कल से काफ़ी बारिश हो रही है and it's really nice when it rains and you're just at home. And it's my third birthday, like my third anniversary main channel ka, and very few Maufam members knew about it. But even if like those 10 or 15 people texted me रात को 12 बजे या आज सुबह without me posting a story about it, it feels really good, you guys. I feel really grateful and it's like very emotional for me. Like it's an emotional thing for me when people remember such important dates of my life. So yeah, thank you so much. And I was gonna film today like for Instagram and also for my main YouTube channel, like the monthly favorites, but I'm not doing it because सुबह मुझे बहुत bad news मिली, like it's something personal. तो मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है honestly to shoot something and put on makeup and all that. So I thought आज नहीं करते shoot, कल करूँगी shoot. So yeah. कधी उशी रीड करा ना, कलर दाखवा उशीचा. व्हेरी नाईस. दाखव कसे करतेस. वाव, थँक्स. भक्ती दीदी, व्हॉट आर युअर ओपिनियन्स? बोल ना काहीतरी, बोल ना. बस हॅपी.
मानसीचा वाढदिवस आहे.
काय
बस.
आई तुला काय बोलायचंय माझ्याबद्दल? काहीतरी चांगलं बोल, ॲटलिस्ट आज तरी चांगलं बोल काहीतरी.
तू चांगली आहेस, खूप चांगली.
मला पण चक्कर आली ऐकून. Whenever I tie my hair in a bun, मेरे बाल ऐसे हो जाते हैं, ऐसा पूरा सी बन जाता है. I don't know why, it's very funny. Anyway, so it's 5 o'clock and मैं बस मैगी खा रही थी. बहुत दिनों बाद मैगी बनाई मैंने. I think it's been what 10 to 12 days मैंने मैगी नहीं खाई थी. So yeah, I'm just having that and I have edited the vlog till this point. And ये जो अभी मैं record कर रही हूँ, that I will put in the vlog and I'll publish it today itself so that you know you guys can celebrate with me on 3rd of July because I think you guys deserve that much. I mean, Maufam has literally supported me in my ups and downs, and I just wanted to say how grateful I am. I don't know मैं कितनी बार बोलूँगी फिर भी it's not gonna be enough, but thank you so much for supporting me throughout this journey, and you know, thank you so much for understanding me as a person, and not just as a YouTuber. You guys understand me as a person. Some of you call me your sister, some of you call me your friend. It means a lot to me, trust me. When you know, people are happy when I get brand deals, people are happy when I cross milestones, that really shows how kind you guys are. And honestly, when I receive PR packages or when I do brand deals, I always make sure that my honesty is not compromised, and I will never ever compromise that, because it's not for you guys, it's for myself, so that I can sleep in peace at night, so that I know that I have not cheated anybody. So whenever I show any product, whenever I talk about anything, may it be Mamaearth, may it be Face Shop, may it be Nykaa, any other brands that I'm working with, I have tried and tested that product on my skin, my hair, my body, and then only I talk about it. Just wanted to let you know a confidential thing, that you guys must be seeing the L'Oreal Micro Essence ka campaign which is going on, right? Which I think ended. A lot of people were talking about it. You think कि मुझे नहीं approach किया होगा L'Oreal ने? They did, but I turned that down because I had already told you guys that I don't like that product. That doesn't mean that other bloggers or other YouTubers who spoke about it, that those people don't like it and they are lying. Probably that product has worked out for them and that's why they are talking about it. It did not work out for me. I did not like it, so I turned that offer down, and it was a very good offer, let me just tell you that. That's what I'm trying to tell you, that this is our job. You need to normalize sponsored content. This is a normal thing. Everybody does it, everybody has to do it, because हम क्यों पढ़ते हैं, हम करियर क्यों बनाते हैं अपना, हमें अच्छा जॉब मिले इसीलिए, राइट? जॉब क्यों चाहिए हमें अच्छा? सो दैट वी गेट मनी, सो दैट वी build a good lifestyle for ourselves. I know that I have never cheated on anybody in this career, and I have never lied to you guys, and I know it. That's all that matters. And share karo yaar videos. Let's you know, cross milestones on this channel as well. Let's reach 20,000 on this channel as well. I'm gonna try my best to be regular on this channel, and yeah, I'll see you in my next vlog. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.